Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Engineer Obiola. Okay, yeah, my phone number is 0810 or you call 07039374171. Thanks to all my customers and those that are patronizing me. So this is a site. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a parapet. This is an island plane parapet. And this is decking and also a step. You see this step, the first one has to go straight. The first one has to be higher than the second one so that the house will be plumb. So that's how we do it like this. That's why we do it like this.